Welcome to our Health Store channel. In today's video we are going to present about Quietum Hearing Supplement review. The Quietum Plus is a dietary supplement formulated to treat hearing problems including conditions like tinnitus. When taken consistently, the supplement improves cognitive processes, allowing them to become faster whilst supporting hearing, reducing stress, and providing a healthy inflammatory response to the brain tissues. Typically, tinnitus causes ear infections and constant ringing in the ears. As mentioned above, this condition is perpetrated by aging, increased exposure to noises, and even lifestyle. Furthermore, according to the creators of the supplement, symptoms of tinnitus such as the ringing of the ears are caused by defective neural connections that cause faulty circuits in the brain. This mechanism, in turn, distorts signals sent to and from the ears to the brain. This results in the ringing of the ears. Using the supplement helps to address these problems to ensure the ear is treated fully and permanently. Furthermore, Quietum Plus Hearing Health Supplement also helps strengthen your immune system. A strong immunity can fight against diseases and prevent infections that are not only related to your ears, but to your overall health. Therefore, this supplement aims to control the damage that has been caused as well as prevents further damage and improves your hearing. The best Quietum Hearing Supplement review info are given in this video for your result-oriented hearing supplement. Please watch till end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting content. Thank you. Good day.